This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market, as you can see, the price can't choose the direction yet, and it's really volatility sessions yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, so you can see very long shadows, but close at the end of the day stands approximately in the same area, around 13.15 area, 13.20 area. So the direction hasn't been chosen yet by the price action, and in fact, depending on where market will break, will determine the further action in the nearest future. So the breakout to the downside, taking out of these lows, will lead market probably to the 12.95 area at minimum, or upward breakout will lead to the next resistance area, somewhere around 13.35 area, or maybe even a bit higher. So today I have read some comments on the gold market, and in general, the situation stands the same. This really spot demand is very small. Traders tells about that market stands in fact in decision, but technical traders suggest the action to the 1370 area. Approximately they point, at least at the Reuters article, was mentioned about the possible 1370 area is the potential medium-term target. So, well, our target's a bit more humble and stands around 1335 as the first target, and after that we will see what will happen. Also, guys, there were there was discovered the fraud on the China spot market. That was some problems with the on the spot market. The delivery and the value of the fraud approximately stands about $15 billion. So it's really significant event. Something that was has a relation to the loans that was backed by the gold, the spot gold, and the Chinese authorities have discovered this fraud on the gold market. That probably also has led to some upward action yesterday. But that all that events have just a short-term impact on the market right now, and market still stands in the tight range. So in the short-term perspective, we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. We have in fact the same picture, just with one more detail, the new detail. So market still stands inside of this rectangle, and as you know, if market will break either to the upside or to the downside, usually it should pass in the direction of the breakout the distance equal to the width of this rectangle. So when market will break it to the downside, you could calculate the distance of this rectangle and count it to the downside. As I said, that will be approximately 1290, 1295 area. Upward breakout probably will lead to the taking out, to reaching of this target finally, 1618 extension of this ABCD pattern, okay, or maybe market even could proceed slightly higher. And right now we have the one detail that could become interesting in the nearest short-term perspective, and that detail stands with this candle. As you can see, that market could form the bearish stop grabber, although guys, in general, this price action mostly suggests the bullish dynamic pressure, because you can see after the significant thrust up, market stands flat and trend has shifted bearish, but price action doesn't show any retracement. That in general the bullish sign, and as in many cases, and even we could say in the most cases, market usually breaks to the upside after that. But still, as you can see, but here we do not know how long market will remain inside of this rectangle. For example, if it will make another move to the lower border of this rectangle, this could start from this bearish grabber, because you can see yesterday we said yes, market could break it to the downside, but market just has hit the lower border of this rectangle and turned to the upside, right to the opposite. So how long this ping pong will hold, it's very difficult to predict. Maybe today we will not see any action, who knows. And if this will be the case, in this situation, this type grabber could be very useful, because particularly this pattern, because it stands right at the upper edge of this consolidation, this pattern could trigger the action right to the lower border, and it could let you to place very tight stop if you would like to trade this action inside of this rectangle. Because if even you will become wrong and market really break to the upside, you will not lose much based on this pattern. But this pattern hasn't been formed yet. As you can see, market just is working with it. So this candle hasn't been closed yet. But if this will happen, that in fact, guys, the only setup that I see right now on the gold market. On the long-term chart, on the intraday charts, I don't see anything else. Maybe if market will show the breakout, we could try to trade it breakout after it will happen. But when it will happen, it's very difficult to say right now. Well, that's why today I do not see much to do on the gold market beyond of this grabber. This grabber itself is also, it's not very tremendous pattern, not very tremendous setup. But that's in fact the setup that we only have right now, and that's just object to think about. So if you do not want to do anything on the gold market today, and maybe it better stay flat and wait what will happen. Maybe market will form something more valuable, something more solid setup in the nearest future. But that's just my opinion, and what I see on the gold market, I share with you. Maybe somebody of you will find it interesting and useful for today trading.